walk down the hall here. Steve Linders. Steve Linders, our public information officer extraordinaire. There's your microphone there, big guy.
Oh, thank you, Sheriff.
We're so honored to have him. Steve Linders is the most experienced PIO probably in, well, 5-state area anyhow, right?
At least.
Maybe for that. Anything you want us to say to the...
I just want to say hi to all the backseaters. Nice to see you, Sheriff. If I had known you were coming in, I would have dressed up a little bit.
Well, I like to surprise people. It gets people more the natural look, you know?
Yeah.
You know, he just got his hair done. He looks fabulous, right?
Yeah, I go to Hilda's Hair Hut in South Minneapolis.
Okay.
Highly recommended.
Does your wife know you're on right now?
I doubt it. I should have gave her. I didn't know I was going to be on right now.
Well, I think you had a 3-minute warning.
Yeah, I did have a 3-minute warning.
So, yeah, tell us about your background. You worked for St. Paul for many years.
Yeah, I'm just an old wannabe journalist who couldn't measure up, so I went into public relations. I spent about 8-9 years with St. Paul Police Department, and then Sheriff called and said, "Hey, come on over here."
You were up at the state for a while too.
I did. I went to the Department of Public Safety as their communications director, just a little bit, but glad to be here. It's a lot of fun here.
Yeah, you've seen it all.
Yeah,
you've seen it all.
Yeah,
in your lifetime.
Yeah.
Well, say hello to your wife, Nikki. Her picture's up on the wall.